Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Position yourself facing even lighting and set a 6-meter focal point, then a near target at about 0.5 to 1 meter. You will perform structured eye movement and focusing drills. These retrain coordination and reduce strain. Once done, relax lids and blink deliberately for 20 seconds. Make sure to remove contacts safely so your cornea can breathe. You're starting simple steps that create measurable sensory feedback for the rest of the routine. Now you move into the core. Alternate 20 minutes of focused work with the 20-20-20 rule so your accommodation resets. Do this throughout the day to avoid near-point overload. Next, do pencil push-ups in 3 sets of 10 to strengthen convergence. Bring the target slowly toward your nose until you see double, then refuse. Complement with palming for 2 minutes and controlled blinking between exercises to restore tear film and reduce surface dryness, which directly supports clearer vision. Finish by cementing a maintenance plan. Commit to 2 short sessions daily, morning and evening, each 10 to 15 minutes, so gains become habit. You should track progress with a simple chart or monthly phone photo at the same distance to notice real changes. If you experience pain, persistent blurring, flashes of light, sudden vision loss, or worsening headaches, stop immediately and seek professional evaluation. Those signs require medical attention rather than home management.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.